students. Today I am here with a new chapter for class 7, that is weather, climate and adaptation. Weather, at first I am defining, it provides information on the various parameters like the temperature, humidity, that is a measure of the amount of moisture in the air, clouds and the rainfall, and the times of the sunrise and sunset with reference to a region. These parameters and their day-to-day changes make up the weather. You will find that all the maximum and minimum temperatures as well as maximum and minimum humidity vary on almost every day. Weather may change from day to day and even from hour to hour. It may be sunny in the morning but suddenly may get overcast and start raining heavily in the afternoon. The day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere at a place with regard to factors like the temperature, humidity, rainfall, speed and direction of the wind, etc. is called the weather at that place. The factors like the temperature, humidity, etc. are called the elements of the weather. Let's study about the elements of the weather. At first, that is temperature. The maximum temperature of the day at a given place occurs normally in the afternoon as the earth gets heated by the sun. At night, sunny rays do not fall at that place and so it cools down. The minimum temperature occurs early in the morning. You already know that the temperature is measured by a thermometer. Maximum and minimum temperatures are measured by special thermometers known as maximum and minimum thermometers. Humidity and rainfall. Humidity is measured by an instrument called the hygrometer. The greater the humidity, more are the chances of the rain. Rainfall is measured by an instrument called the rain gauge. Now the next, that is winds. During the southwest monsoon period, humidity-laden winds from the Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal bring rain to India. During winters, when the winds blow from the mountains of the North India towards the northern plains, the plains becomes very cold. During summers, the winds blow from the hot desert of the Rajasthan towards the Delhi, and Delhi becomes very hot. Predicting the weather. Scientists who study about the predict weather are known as the meteorologists. They predict weather by studying the patterns in the weather and the several factors that affect weather. Weather is a very complex phenomenon. It is affected by the hundreds of the factors and is not easy to predict. That is why the predictions sometimes go wrong. Now students, we will learn more about this chapter in the next video.